Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your location in Beaks. So in order to change your location, you first need to head over to your Beaks app, open it, and then navigate to the settings or profile section. So click onto this gear icon right here, and you can see in here this option. We have in here the bullets, aim assist, but as you can see, we do not have right here the location. So you can click onto this hamburger icon, and then for this case, you can scroll down and then look in here for the option for the location. If it doesn't appear right here, you can just directly go to your device location settings and then ensure that your location services are enabled. That is because sometimes app use your device location settings to determine your region. So as of right now, I'm currently onto this particular region because of my location. So you can head over right here into your settings and then make sure right here that your location is turned on. So here is the location icon. So in there, you can also go to your device settings and find Beaks app or Roblox, then check if location permissions are granted. So you can already see it right here. As you can see, it's granted. And once you have granted that, that will actually go over and then choose the location that you're in. You can use a VPN in order to change that if you want. So that's how you change your location, Beaks. Hope we help.